My name is Indah Rizky Yuliani. I'm study of English Magister Program on postgraduate of University HKBP Nomensen, Medan, North Sumatra, Indonesia. I want to dedicate this video to my beloved and amazing lecturer, Dr. Rosdiana Rajagukuk M. Hum. Thank you, ma'am. Now, in this video, I want to share the explanation about writing past, GB Hiten, and Cyril. We will to discuss about GB Hiten writing skills. Writing skills can be complex and hard to teach because they involve not just grammar and language techniques, but also thinking and decision making. There are 5 areas the key of to write the good praise. They are: first, language use, the ability to write correct and clear sentences. And the second, mechanical skills, the ability to use writing and how to write the rules correctly. Third, treatment of content, the ability to think creatively and focus on important ideas. And the fourth, stylistic skills, the ability to organize sentences and paragraphs well, using the language effectively. And the fifth, judgment skill, the ability to write in a way that fits the purpose and audience, while choosing and organizing relevant information. Now in Cyril. In Cyril, these are 2 ways to access writing ability. The first is spread testing. Writing can be broken down like as grammar, vocabulary, spelling, and punctuation. And this can be tested individually using objective tests. And the second is extended writing text. This text would be more valid or accurate in measuring writing skills, but they would need to be accessed in a more subjective test. The theoretical framework for writing assessment have 3 parts. The first is psychometric theory. This discuss the underlying principles of reliability and validity in writing assessment. And the second is sociocultural theory. This explore the influence of cultural factors on writing performance. And the third is about cognitive theory. In this is examine the cognitive process involved in writing, such as planning, drafting, and revising. Cyril's perspective on writing tests. Number 1 is direct testing. In direct testing have 1 is dictation. In dictation is assessing listening comprehension and the motor skills. And then second is paraphrasing. In paraphrasing, we must evaluating the comprehension and the expression of the meaning. And the third of direct testing, we have sentence transformation. In this, the testing grammatical knowledge and syntactic skills must be due. And then 2 is indirect testing. Indirect testing have some parts too. Cloze test. The cloze test is measuring vocabulary and grammar knowledge. And then next is gap filling exercise. In this gap filling exercise, we must focus on specific grammatical structures. And the last of the indirect testing by Cyril is error correction. In this, we must assess the knowledge of grammatical rules and how to use. Now, I will to give the example of the serial perspective writing skills in indirect testing. The first is clause test. In this clause test has the purpose. The purpose is we must measure the vocabulary and grammar knowledge. For the example is the blank 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 boy blank 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 a red hat. He blank 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 playing in the park. So the students or the learners must fill in the blank with the appropriate words based on the context. Next is number 2, gap filling exercise. In this has the purpose focus on the specific grammatical structure. For the example is number 1, I blank 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 breakers off go to the market yesterday. I blank 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 breakers off buy some fruit. And then from this question, the learner or the student must fill in the blank with the correct verb form for the branches off. And the third is error correction. In the error correction, the purpose is the exercise knowledge of grammatical rules and usage. For the example is I got to the store yesterday. He don't like to swim. So the students or the learner must identify what is the correct one and then what is the incorrect grammatical. And then the learners can give the underline and then they can be write the true one. Like I go to the school every day. So I go is not good but I go. Okay? I go to school every day. Now, in Hitton's perspective on writing text, same like serial, there are have two parts. One is direct testing. In direct testing, have three parts too. First, composition. In this, we must assessing overall writing ability, include the content, organization, and the language used. Second, paragraph writing. In this paragraph writing, we must evaluating the coherence, cohesion, and how to develop of the ideas. And the third, letter writing. In this letter writing, we must testing the ability how to write the formal letters and the informal letters. 2. Indirect writing text. For the GB Hitton perspective, there are 3 indirect writing tests. First, multiple choice clause test. In this, we must measuring the vocabulary and the grammar knowledge skill. And this multiple choice, actually, there are the question and then have the some choice. And the second is sentence completion test. In this, we must assessing our grammatical and the syntactic skills. And then actually they are have some essays. Third, error collection. In this, same as serial perspective writing skills. Same like testing knowledge and grammatical rules and how to use. Now, I will give examples of GB Hitton perspective writing test from indirect writing text. The first is multiple choice clause test. For the example is The blank 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 boy blank 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 a red hat. He blank 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 playing in the park. The option is A. Little where is. B. Small where was. C. Young where is. So in the option we must choose the right one, and also we must know the right grammar. Number 2 is sentence completion test. For the example is I blank 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 branches of go to the market yesterday. I blank 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 branches of buy some fruits. And the option is go, buy, when, or both. So we must choose one for the correct grammatical skills, or we can write the right one. And the last is error correction. In the error correction examples is same like Cyril. For the example is I got to school yesterday. So got we can underline, and then we can write again the correct one. Now I want to compare the Cyril and J.B. Hinton perspective. And the difference both of them are Cyril focus more on specific techniques, but the Hinton he provides a broad of theoretical framework about the writing skill test. There are two things we must have to pay attention for analyzing writing text performance. Number 1, qualitative analysis. So, written work in details, focus on the content, organization, language use, and the mechanics. Number 2, quantitative analysis. In this, we must use the statistic methods like as the item analysis, reliability analysis to evaluate the test performance. Now I have the conclusion perspective writing test by J.B. Hinton and Cyril. According of them, so actually they have the advocated a balanced and holistic approach to writing text. Actually, they are have great place to make the importance on the authenticity and the real world relevance in the writing text, while also focusing on the technical required to ensure that tests are reliable, valid, and fair. Together, their work emphasizes the need to combine theoretical frameworks with practical applications to create assessment that truly reflects students' writing abilities. So, both of them actually is same to give the best of the writing test. That's all about my presentation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all.